So now I'm all mic'd up and you can hear what I'm saying. Although I'm not going to do a lot of talking on this ride. It's Sunday, I'm going to let the bike do all the talking. So let's enjoy this ride. So excited to get going. I've actually just forgot to do the helmet up, which is annoying. Honestly, we are going to get going. I just got to do it up. Here we go. Finally, let's get moving. My eyes are watering. I've just been riding a little bit fast and it's a bit windy. Goggles down time. Oh yeah, those eyes are watering for sure. So we're on our way to a famous, well-known bike meet just outside London. Always full of bikers, especially Sunday's the day for it. So nice to get out on a bike. Rained a little bit earlier, but it's stopped now. Can't complain. Still nice. Got my summer jacket on still. Still nice and warm out. Not too bad. I've only got a t-shirt under this, so it's still not that bad at all. One thing I am doing this week is hopefully getting a new pair of tyres fitted. So if you've seen some of my other videos, I've got the Heidenau K60 Scout tyres that I fitted on my bike, and I've put about 2 or 3 sets on them now. Absolutely love them. They're not very good in the wet if you watched my review, but they're absolutely fantastic in the summer, and they look mean and meaty on the bike. They just finished the bike off. Anyway, long story short, I cannot get a replacement front wheel Heidenau K60 for my bike. Tried various different suppliers, nobody's got them, nobody can get hold of them. I found a tyre shop in South London, really great customer service, what I've experienced with them so far, ringing me back, doing all the rest of it, you know, chasing it up, and they've managed to locate this tyre, and apparently I'm going to get it fitted this week. And my petrol light's just come on. So I'll bring you along for the ride for that one. I'm actually trying to think, is this the way that I took before? Not sure. But when you're out on a ride, it don't really matter, does it? Hang on, what's this say? Something about a waterworks. set up a load of tables in that churchyard, look like big picnic tables. Someone's carrying about 50 glasses out on a tray. I was like, is this open? Is this an open invite, or is this just is it a wedding or what? But it's in a graveyard, so I'm not sure what that's all about. But anyway, let's get to the tea hut. I need a cup of tea, although I could have had a cocktail if they were offering a free mojito or something. I can see a few bikes down. Oh, they've got umbrellas. They've put a few umbrellas out. That's new. They never had umbrellas there before. Just tables. Oh, quite a few bikers. This is always the nerve-wracking bit, isn't it? Pulling in. Everybody watching. Let's get up this crumbly bit. Let's park here. Petrol lights on, isn't it? I need to get some bloody petrol. Let's get a cuppa. Let's get some petrol, eh? Let's not forget the key when I go into bloody pay. So, just hit reserve. Let's see how much a full tank costs. It is 138.9 a litre. So, Street Twin. Let's see. Full tank from reserve. Yeah, about 12 quid. Might get a little bit more in. No more's going in. £12.20 from reserve. Time for a Sunday roast. I'm starving. It's nearly 5 o'clock on a Sunday. Had a nice little ride out. I might even go for a little one after. But at the moment, all I can think about is food. So I know my last ride out I stopped off for food. Maybe I should start a series of all the places I stop off and eat on my travels. But you've got to have a big Yorkshire pudding on a Sunday, ain't you? You can't not. I think I'm going up this one. Yep, turning left up here. It's looking busy. It's looking busy. Oh, I just had a waft of the roast beef. Oh, there's another motorbike there. Might park next to him. Sunday roast time.